Let's add a drop shadow to its own layer. Double click the part you want to add a drop shadow to. Hit drop shadow, set it to multiply, opacity to 100, distance, speed, spread, size, set them all to 0. Hit OK. Right mouse button, click on the effect, create layer, hit OK. Now you've got a drop shadow layer, so you can get in there and get a realistic drop shadow. Now let's skew the layer. Add a fill blur to it. You can mess around with the opacity. Add a clipping mask and then a gradient to the clipping mask. Play around with the density and opacity again just to look, but don't spend too much time on it.